Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia if you're new here. Show them your outfit, say outfit of the day, or like the southern TikTok girls, OOTD. The shirt is from Zara. The pants are from Zara. It's a matching set. And my shoesies are from H&M. And my bow is from Amazon. And I'm so pretty. Come on, queen. Come on. Look. Oh, beautiful. Vente. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi. Hello. Yeah, we're like, hey guys. I am the new owner of this channel, okay? I'm currently running slightly late to my hair appointment. I am not. Audrey is dyeing my hair brown today. And it might be brown, it might be reddish, it might be strawberry blonde. I don't know. I have like 20 pictures I want to show her and they're all a little bit different. Hopefully I don't hate it. So I will be very upset and you will find out about it. Anyway, talk soon. I kind of explained to her what I wanted. It's kind of difficult to explain, so I was very concerned. It's just kind of like a mix of a bunch of different inspo pictures that I found, which I'm sure like if any of you are hairstylists, you probably hate me. But I want like an auburn neutral or red tone, or like leaning towards like a reddish brown without it being too red or without it being too orange. I also have my hair extensions right here that I'm hoping she can match to whatever my hair ends up looking like, because my natural brown hair, obviously it's like not grown out enough to see, it is always leaning very red and very orangey. So I'm hoping we can, pull it together. I'm also definitely gonna get my hair cut and my extensions cut as well, but I will let you guys know what she kind of does and go from there. Okay, y'all, hair reveal. This is what it ended up looking like with my extensions on. It is a little bit different than what I asked for and what like the inspo pictures look like. It still looks pretty good. Just it's like a little bit lighter and less like red and brown. It's more still like a little bit blonde. It has like a ton of dimension, which I did want. So that is what it looks like. Excited to see how I like it. I never really know how I feel about my hair like that first week or so, and then I feel like I style it and I start getting used to how I look, and then I do like it. Because in the inspo pictures I kind of did want to not get rid of the blonde, but I wanted it to have a more gingery hair color to it, and it's definitely still pretty blonde. I would argue like a little bit strawberry blonde. I think what I wanted was maybe complicated, because I didn't necessarily want it to go full on like red orangey hair. Basically I want it to be a dimensional ginger with some brunette pieces, and that is sort of what my hair looks like, but it looks a little bit more strawberry blonde. Like my hair is still pretty blonde. I would argue it's more of like a blonde than anything else. But I put a picture of the back of my head yesterday when I got home. That is kind of what it ended up looking like, and then I'll put a picture of some of the inspo that I was looking for. But okay guys, I've been promising this reveal video for a hot minute, so here it is. This is what our guest bedroom ended up looking like. Let me show you guys the before real quick so you guys can see the whole transformation. So quick recap, this used to be our old master bedroom. As you can see, it was a tight fit. It was looking very dark and just not my style. Our master is now downstairs, so we turned this into a guest bedroom with old furniture we had. It was too bulky, too big for the space, and just, again, not my style. So the plan was to declutter, make it light, airy, pretty, and that's exactly what we did. I love it so much. I mean, ideally I would put mirrors where those canvases are and put a different picture in the middle, but for now I think this looks really good. When Olivia's ready to transition into hi cutie, into her toddler bed, this will be her bed. So I wanted to give you guys a really good review, thorough review of this bed before anything, but I also wanted people to sleep in it to tell me what they thought, and I have many thoughts. Basically, this is a cloud bed dupe. What it is a soft frame bed, and it's made out of foam, and I got it from this company called Soft Frame Designs. You can either just get the base, or you can also get the headboard, or you can get both, and they come in a few different colors. It is this very nice kind of linen fabric, but y'all, this is extremely expensive. Like, I'm talking $1,000, and you still need to buy the box spring because it has no shape. It's literally just foam covered in fabric, and what gives your bed the actual shape is the actual box spring. So I got a very low to the ground one from Amazon just because we are thinking of Olivia for the future, so I wanted her to be super low to the ground for this exact same reason. Basically, I initially ordered the tan version, and you have to order your bed according to the like height of your box spring. I ordered the lowest one they had, which was 5 to 6 inches. So when I got it, my husband was really confused and saw that it was dipping in the center, and he kept telling me like, Philo, it's not supposed to be this way, there's something wrong with this bed. It turns out that they accidentally sent me the 9-inch one instead. They made everything right, thankfully, so I was able to choose a different color because the tan one was out of stock. FedEx came to pick it up. Like, they didn't give me a discount or anything for my inconvenience, even though this bed is extremely expensive and allegedly made to order. And y'all, I'm so glad this happened because the white one is the only one that's worth it in my opinion. So I really do think if you want the look and cloud bed, then yeah, sure, you can call this worth it. It is the only dupe that I found that wasn't thousands of dollars though, and it was still expensive. Yeah, it just really depends on your preference, I guess. It's just something we really wanted for her, and that's how we justified the price. But I could never justify, for example, the actual cloud bed from Restoration Hardware. I think that's super expensive. Okay guys, I know this looks scary, but hear me out. I took matters into my own hands and I got this gloss from Target. It's not permanent. It says it lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. So I just wanted to try it out just because the more I sat with my hair, the less I felt like it was what I asked for. And I just simply don't have the time to go sit like another 3 hours in the salon. So I just wanted to try this out, see if I liked it, and go from there. Let me show you what my hair looks like. This is what it looks like, and I'm actually obsessed. I think it looks so good. If anything, I need maybe like a slight toner to make it like a bit less orange. But the fact that this was a $15 gloss from Target and it's not permanent, so if I hate it, it's fine. I did get new hair extensions from Amazon. I didn't want to like spend the whole $200 in the Barefoot blonde hair extensions, so I got some affordable ones from Amazon that are still human hair, and we will see how this goes. I'm actually pretty excited. This is what I envisioned, this is what I wanted, so I'm happy with it. Let me know what you guys think, but I love it. So I'm gonna go work out. I have my belt bag from Amazon that I love. I had to share. And then I'm wearing this set from, well, it's not a set, it's both of them are DH-Gate. I think they're different sellers actually, and they're like a slight bit different tone, but I'm about to go to a 45 on this cooking, and I think these are both on Like to Know It, but I'll link this down below. Let's go. I'm a red girl now. I can't believe it, honestly, but hopefully you guys like it as much as I do. I was gonna say I want to do a quick little Target haul, and there's nothing quick or little about this. I went a little out of control, but I got so many good things, so I want to show y'all. Starting off with this, I got it because our coffee station, like the syrups, like are just way too little and way too like few for this big tray, so instead I'm gonna do that one. I'll show you guys right now when I do it. Okay, so I will say it kind of bothers me that all 4 of them don't fit perfectly. I have to push that one to the back. So I think what I'm gonna do instead is just find something similar, like a 2-tier rack instead of like a tray, and just measure these out and find something that length and that height as well, because I really like this. I just don't think this one is it. This is the main reason I wanted to go to Target today. I saw these on TikTok. They are paper bats, and I got each of them for $1, which is so crazy. It's gonna look so cute. I love how it looks in fireplaces or by the mirrors. It looks adorable. And then I found these that are even cuter. I kind of want to throw a Halloween dinner party. I got these vase fillers, and then this pumpkin vase, I guess, or canister, I don't know. This pumpkin thing, it's glass. It was, I think, $5. And I saw people on TikTok like put drinks in this. I think this is so cute. I wish there was more. And then I got these that were on sale for $6. These are perfect for like White Claws, like skinny cans, even energy drinks. And I love my Brewmate ones, but you know, these were affordable, and when I have company over or whatever, I like to offer them drinks in these. And then from that same brand, I got this because I've been enjoying taking my pre-workout in these and just adding a shaker rather than the regular cups, because those usually don't make it cold, or like it doesn't stay cold for as long. This was $5. Got Olivia a doll. I thought this was cute. It was $10, and we got a ton of like Target gift cards for her birthday, so I thought we'll just get her a little doll. I got some of these espresso pots. We needed some more coffee. I want to start doing my own cold brew again. Fabuloso, and then a ton of like boring household stuff. So I'm gonna put all of this away.